I have a leaky toilet. I have a feeling it's that gray wax ring. We'll see. I'm going to first try a simple solution, replacing the yellow gasket. Okay, so I added water, and it looks like it's staying right below the yellow gasket. So I'm going to drain this. I guess it's not going to drain anymore. So maybe it is this thing, because if it was this, it would be lower. So that's good news. Let's see. You have to disassemble it. Take that out. Pick that up. I just twist it and get rid of that. Put this one on. This is an easy fix. I'm hoping it's that, which I think it is, because otherwise the water would drain more. There you go. Oh, what happened here? This is when things get complicated. I don't have to take it off. Look, I could just line this up. This goes down. Line that little thing up. Okay? Put it in there. I don't even think I have to twist. Just line it up. Maybe twist that. Put the hose back in. And let's turn the water back on. And fingers crossed it fills up. And then that will be an easy fix. It's filling up, so that's a good sign. And I just wanted to show you, I got this probably off Amazon, but this was, they call it the canister flush valve seals. And it's the dupe for the Kohler. And I got 2. Well, yay, that's a really good sign, because before, when I poured water in here and the tank was low, it immediately went away. So, yay, I think I fixed it. That's an easy one. A harder one would have been that gray thing that's deteriorating. I'm sure I could do it, but I'd have to look at videos. That's it. That's how you fix a leaky toilet. The easy way.